All right, here we go. Kind of missed a couple of days, so Merry Christmas. This is 24 days of Fishmas. Here we are. What shall we do? So, we entered at number 6 last time I did this. We got to do 7 and 8. Number 7. Let's see what we got here today. Another little spinner. Go. Anyways, there's a little turn, another little spinner. Different colors on there. There's the dogs barking in the background. Whatever. Now we're looking at number 8. Let's see if we can find number 8. Alright, let's take out number 8. What do we got? Ooh. Now this one looks way better than the last one. Colors. Little heart, I guess. I don't know. Could probably take that off and put something else on there. But not looking too bad. You got those two right there so far. Not too bad. And then number 9, because I missed glasses today. Let's see what we got. Nice. They're all little spinners. It's alright. And I'll have to see here. Yeah, nice kind of reflective piece. And not too bad. So, getting caught up. There's the 3 for 24 days of Fishmas. Thanks for joining.